Hi everybody and welcome back. This is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and today we will be discussing about Qstudio review and whether you should install parental control app or not. So this is going to be a complete demonstration and step-by-step process, and you will at the end get to know all the features about Qstudio and whether it is worth it, because this is a parental app and used for different type of limitations to be applied onto cell phone devices, onto iPad devices, and many more devices that your children or kids around the house or school are using, and you can limitize them. So you can see basically I have just created an account onto Qstudio. So let's just dive right into the application. So it comes in two modules. The first one is going to be the online web application, and you can see the website version, and then you need to install an application on your cell phone device. So let's just log into our account, and you will be able to, you can see I have created an account already. If you do not have an account, you can click on this sign up option and you will be able to create your account. So let's just get going on. Click on login, and you can see we are right inside our application. Okay, so currently I'm rolling on a 3-day trial. You can upgrade. You can see if you want to learn about their pricings and plans. So the basic one comes with 54.59 per year, and the complete version, which includes extra features like, for example, custom routines, custom alerts, games and apps, time limits, calls and messages, monitoring, and unlimited devices. And this is going to be the 99.95 bundle. Now, why this is most popular? Since this is going to be providing you the more level of flexibility that you can get, but of course if it is not breaking the bank for you and fits into your pocket, because it has the budget of around $100. So yeah, make sure to give it a try. Now let's just get back to our home page. You can see my family here. You can add your family's phones. So it is a really simple method. All you need to do is click on this add a child option, enter first name. So let's just enter in here, like for example Mike. Then we can select gender, whether boy or girl. Then we have this option of birth year, and here we can select the birth year, which is going to be, let's just say 2018 or something like that, or maybe anything that you prefer. Click on next, and you can see you're going to be selecting the child's device. You can head over to Android, iOS, Windows, or whatsoever the child is using. So let's just go for Android, and then you need to confirm it using the application on the cell phone device of that particular student. So I have already done that, and you can see I've added a phone in here. And if you simply head over to that, you can see we have various options, like for example the phone is assigned to this profile. You can also see the location. For this, you have to provide the location access from your cell phone device. So the point to be noted here is that if you are installing the application on the phone, you have to provide various like for example permissions, contacts, sites that he's visiting, of course location services. That is a key part, since we want to simply monitor where the device currently is. So for that particular reason, this section is being used. Now if you head over to your settings, you can see we have some options in here. The first one is going to be protect Android settings, and this is used to simply protect your Android settings, which are simply set by you. So if any change or modification is made onto the device, you will get a notification onto yourself as well, and you can monitor that activity. The second option is going to be protect Qstudio settings, and this is going to be setting also adjusting the Qstudio app on this device that you are using. Now we have this accounts option. If you head over to that, and from that you will be easily able to change your account settings, like for example your name, if you want to change your email address, language, time zone, and add a phone number if you want to do that. And if you want to, an amazing feature here should be, you can see that additional parent. Now for this, like for example if you are trying to monitor again it alone, and you do not have some time adjustment time schedule to simply monitor alone. You can use this additional parent feature and invite another parent to your Qstudio account. And what this will be doing is that you both parents, or maybe you can add another person, and you all can monitor in your free time and check the activity, and you will have better flexibility out of it. So on the top right of side of your account, you can see we have this help center and logout section. Using this, you can easily get your help if you want to contact support for some additional features or any information related to this. You will be able to do that from the help center, so make sure to visit that. And by logout, you will be able to easily log out of your account. And yeah, so by the way, if you want to maybe terminate your account or delete your account, you have to head over to your help center and contact the support team yourself manually. So that should be kept in mind. Now, if you are wondering how the app looks on the phone, I have official guide by Qstudio here, and you can see we have the kids app, and you can download it. It is going to be looking something like this, and you can also enable auto update for that. So you can see once you install the app, we are going to be logging into the same using same credentials, and then we can verify this device, and it will be showing up in the web version. So you can see we need to allow all of these permissions. So these look like contact, Play Store, photos, Qstudio, and we basically need to allow the notification for this. And also permissions are various other permissions that are needed. You can see the location permission and activate device admin. Once you do that, it is going to be enabling you to easily control your device from this particular section. And you can also add another device. You can select the device, then from the drop down select Android, install Qstudio app on there, and you will have a control panel on this. So you can see this, all of the safety features, like for example safe search, web filtering, game and app blocking, everything is available using Qstudio. So in my opinion, for the people who are looking to monitor their children, if you are asking whether you should install this parental control app or not, I highly suggest. If you have this particular use case where you want to simply monitor your boys and girls, children, students, and whatsoever, this application is recommended. They have excellent support, and if we talk about their reviews, it have amazing reviews on different sites. I have just gone through a bit. So yeah, make sure to give a try to that, and see you guys around in the next video. And if you have any other idea in your mind, you can let us know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more. With that being said, this is Umair signing out, and goodbye.